So, dear children, here I am going to discuss the important questions with their answers given to you for stanza 4 from an elementary school classroom in a slum. Stephen Spender is the poet of this poem, and he has raised a very important issue that there should be social justice and class inequalities should be abolished from the society. So let's see what is the first question. The first question is, who are the important people referred to in the stanza? The important people are mentioned in the very first line, and these important people are important because they can bring about a sustainable change in the lives of these people. And those three people, very important ones, are the governor, the inspector, and the visitor. Visitor refers to common men. Understood well? Fine. The second question is, what does the poet request them to do? The poet requests them to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. That is, there should be no distinction between rich and poor. The wealthy section or the unwealthy section of the society should be all equal. Okay, the third question is in the form of a fill-up. The children should be exposed to dash dash dash. If you read further, you will find that the children should be exposed to green fields, gold sands under the blue belt of the sky, and green and white leaves, that is, the colorful pages of the books, so that they can feel interested and be facilitated for educating themselves and giving their contribution in the society and its development. This is the answer to the third question. The fourth one says, what opportunities should be given to these children? What opportunities? These children should be given opportunities of education with proper books, notebooks, library, and elite class of teachers with good quality schools and a proper teaching learning infrastructure over there, so that they can also educate themselves and contribute in the development of the society. Once again, almost the same answer. And the last question, the easiest of all, how can the history be written? The history of this contemporary age can be written using the language of sun, where there is no rich, no poor, no educated or uneducated class of the society, because all are equally good who can change the scenario of the society.